children, how are you? I think you all are fine. Okay, now today we are going to learn a new topic in English. The name of the topic is let's speak. What do you mean by speak? You are talking with each other, with your friends, isn't it or not? You are talking with your mother, with your father, with your uncle, with your auntie, brother, sister. But children, when you are talking with them, you require that there is some way how to speak. Okay, first thing is that you should, when you are speaking to your elders, you should speak politely. You should not speak with them harshly. Okay, now I'll give you one example. Now, from your class, Bhavesh is there. Okay, so if I want something from Bhavesh, so what I will say, Bhavesh, can you give me pencil? This is the way. Suppose you want to go out to play. So what you have to do, children? You have to take a permission of your parents, of your elder people. Now who all are the elder in your house? It may be your mummy, papa, grandmother, grandfather, whoever there. So how you will ask them? You should ask them, may I go to play out? This is the way you should speak with your elders. If you want to get something from your mother, suppose you want a book. So what you will say? Please mummy, buy me a book and give. Okay, this is the way you should speak with your parents also. In the class also, when you are in the classroom. And if you forget to bring your pencil. So what you will do? You will ask your friend. Any friend it will be. I'll give you one example. You will ask to Rudra. Now Bhavesh will ask to Rudra. What Bhavesh will ask to Rudra? Rudra, please give me one pencil. So children, when you are speaking with your elderly or with your friends, with your teacher, whoever it is, you should speak very politely. Now speaking means what? When you are talking with each other. When we talk to each other, we come to know our feelings. We come to know what I want to say. Maybe I will be doing something wrong. If you come and say, teacher, this is not correct. Isn't it or not? So I will say, it is not correct. But you should speak out. Now, whenever if you are going, suppose you are going to a new place. When you are coming first day to the school or when you come back to the school. That time the first question what I will ask you? I will ask you, what is your name? Isn't it or not? So what you should say? My name is so and so. This is called speaking with each other. When we speak, children, we come to know the feelings of each other. We understand what I want to say you, or you people will also understand what I am telling you. So speaking is very much necessary because it is one skill which you have to develop. Now this skill you are doing it from here. Once you talk saying some words, like when you are small baby, you say some words, mama, papa, isn't it or not? So that is the time you start speaking. Now we have in your textbook, that is lesson number 1.7. You can open your textbook and see this is how they are speaking. There some pictures are there. And they are talking, children and parents are there. Teacher is there, students are there. Let us see what is given in your textbook. See your textbook, lesson number 1.7. Let us speak, page number 13. Okay. Now over here, this is Ashwini and this is her mother. So she is talking to her mother. How she is talking to her mother? Let us see. Ashwini, you can see these two dots, children. These two dots are called as a said. What they are called as? Said. The two dots, like when you are talking with somebody, with conversing, that time these two dots are said to be said. What they are said? Said. Okay. Now Ashwini said, Mummy, Ashwini said, may I go out to play? I said, what did the I said? I means your mother, your mummy. I said, yes, you may. So children, what she is doing? She is taking her permission and then she is going. Isn't it or not? Same way, you should also take, without your parents' permission, you should not go out of your house. Now, this is the second picture, children. I think this is again Ashwini only. Ashwini said, This person is who? Her Baba. Baba means your father, your Papa, isn't it or not? So Ashwini said, Baba, I want to eat a piece of a cake. May I? That also she is taking permission from her parents, isn't it or not? So children, you should also follow like a Ashwini. What did Baba said? Baba said, yes, you may, but after dinner, and then brush your teeth. Yes, children, this is very correct, children. When you are eating anything before going to bed, you should brush your teeth like how Ashwini's father told her to do it, how Ashwini is doing it. What did Ashwini said? What did Ashwini said? Okay, Baba, isn't it or not? She said no? She said yes, I will do it. See the next picture. I think this is a picture of entrance of zoo. When you have to go to zoo is what? Zoo is a place where you can see different animals. Yes or no? When you have to visit zoo, you have to get some tickets. So let us see what is given over here. Mohini said, may I have 2 tickets please? She is asking to this ticket seller. Ticket seller said, yes, you may. Here they are. So she is giving money to that ticket seller and she is buying 2 tickets because she wants to visit the zoo where she can see different animals. Now see the next picture, children. Here is Tina. Who is she? Tina. You are also having so many friends in the school or not? Same way, this girl is having friend Tina. What is going on among them? Let us see. Tina said, may I borrow your pencil? Reena said, yes, sure. Here it is. Tina said, thank you, Reena. Isn't it or not, children? If somebody is giving you something, after receiving that, what you should say? Thank you. What you should say? Thank you. Now, see the last picture of your textbook. This is small boy is there. His name is Shyam. Shyam said, may I pluck those flowers? And this is gardener. Gardener means who, children? Who is taking care of the garden. It's called gardener. What did gardener said? Sorry, you may not. Means what? See children, if you are visiting any garden, there are so many flowers. Isn't it or not? You are not supposed to pluck those flowers, or you should not remove the flowers from the plant. So, let us repeat this again once. Shall we do it? Okay. Now, let's speak. Ashwini, may I go out to play? I said, yes, you may. Ashwini, Baba, I want to eat a piece of a cake. May I? Baba said, yes, you may, but after dinner, and then brush your teeth. Ashwini said, okay, Baba. Then again, third picture. Mohini said, may I have 2 tickets please? Ticket seller said, yes, you may. Here are there. Then Tina, fourth picture. Tina said, may I borrow your pencil? Reena said, yes, sure, here it is. Tina said, thank you, Reena. Shyam, may I pluck those flowers? Gardener said, sorry, you may not, because we are not supposed to remove the flowers from the garden. Now, here we have seen some pictures and we have seen how they are speaking. So, children, you are also have to, when you are speaking with somebody in the house, in the society, in the shop, if you are going to school, you should speak politely and softly. Make the use of some magic words. There are some magic words. What are they? Excuse me, thank you, sorry. These all are the welcome. All these are the magic words you have to use. And in this way, you should speak with all the people around you.